Try it again. It was getting some serious lag, so I needed to restart. Something's got a memory leak. I don't know what it is, but I'm guessing it's oh, did it not even do that? Nice. I'm guessing it's NVIDIA broadcast. I think that's the one that's the problem. That's my sneaking suspicion, but not sure. But something after my computer runs for a few days, it starts to chug. Like if I'm gaming, it'll lag for a few frames. I was seeing it on the stream as well, where it was lagging. The feed just like went out, and then I saw it on the because I could see the preview in StreamYard. I saw that just like not work. So yeah, craziness. Now I think we're good. Twitch. And let's make sure Twitch is good. I think we're good. All right. Good stuff. Okay. Gonna do my stuff. Sorry for the double notification because I started stream and then stopped and then started stream again. I think we're good to go. Yeah. My brand stats. There we go. It already knows. Already knows. Did my school stuff this morning pretty briefly. Didn't get too far into it, but I think enough for today. Did a bunch of stuff this morning. Trying to update an app this morning. Trying to work on a YouTube video. Working with a video editor now, so that was kind of nice to have a video edited, and I didn't have to do it myself. So it saved a little bit of time, which is pretty cool. Let's see. Wait. Yeah. So I did 64 yesterday. 64 yesterday. Yesterday was the 4th. Wow, that's crazy. 64. Just let it calculate. There we go. Over 40. We're averaging over 40. I think that was supposed to be. I mean, the goal originally was to get to like, I don't know. Remember Nick Sarayev was talking about when he won the school games, he was just like, well, I have 100. He averaged like 150 to 250 activities per day. So that was kind of the inspiration for that. Was that it's like, hey, just be active in the community. So I even just going through and liking all the posts, I run out of stuff to like. So clearly I need to do more. But 604 members in a community, pretty legit. Just need to get people being more active. 600. See if I can inspire people to engage more. That's crazy, actually. And then YouTube subs. YouTube still slowly doing its thing. That's what I was actually working on. I have a thumbnail now, so I almost got everything set up for a new video, which I actually could do now. Behind the scenes look. Whoa. Never seen this before. Cool. Okay. Good deal. Good deal. And then it's dead. There we go. Dance mode. Audience size and growth, subscribers. Oh no. Uh-oh. Is there an outage on their end? YouTube having some issues? People are getting hooked. 2,000 watch hours. I will take it. I will take that. That's what I uploaded. I gotta put a thumbnail on that bad boy. Weird. Service must be down. Can't get my stats. I don't know what I did yesterday. None of these working. It's just this guy. But the other one was working. Content works. So just not the audience traffic. Weird. Ooh, yeah. Which one? The best click-through rate? Whoa. Why would a stream have the best click-through rate? Super weird. And web or easy Monday.com webhooks. Unexpected. Didn't expect that to actually do pretty well. 7,000 impressions. Interesting. Some of these, yeah, some of these, I guess. Which one's getting more impressions? That guy's getting a lot of impressions. Yeah, that one did actually get a decent amount of impressions. That's kind of crazy, actually. It kind of matches the amount of views, I think. Oh, this is within the 28 days. Okay, never mind. $200,000 impressions, pretty crazy. There we go. So, yeah, that's pretty good. That's a, yeah, I was gonna say that's like a 10%. 38,000 impressions, but 3,800 views. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Well, since I can't get my audience numbers, I guess I'll just wait. I know I'm at 1149 right now, so that's cool. Was I at? Okay. Not a huge jump. Maybe last couple days, but I'll wait until that's actually working and we'll do that later. I could actually get this video going. Since I'm here, watch me edit some YouTube uploads while on YouTube. Doesn't get more meta than that. No worries, Craig. No worries. You're good, man. Nah, won't do any video editing right now. Well, I guess I don't need to do any video editing, but my YouTube management do need to add this video though, but I'll do that later. What's next? So I was kind of thinking about, do you need to create a saas? I don't think I want to turn the whole thing, the whole course generator thing into a saas, but it does need, the whole thing can run in the cloud though. So I was thinking about creating a saas for FFmpeg so that it could run in the cloud, because that's the only thing that is missing, because the entire thing could actually work with cloud. It just needed FFmpeg to run through a local host node. And if we fix that, you're good to go. So I need to do some sort of automation to update my, I don't know. My Discord's not a bad place to be. It's only a few members. We're small but mighty. Smaller than the Skool community. Do I have a Discord? I do have a Discord link for the community. No one has joined. I don't know if anybody like actually clicks on these things. Probably have to like uh target people to really like push people to click on the links to get them to do anything in here. But pretty crazy. Um anyway, I don't want the mail over there. I don't know why that's over there. Oops. Does it close both? Okay, cool. Oh, that was that one. Okay, never mind. It actually opened that up correctly, so that's cool. Yeah, trying to decide. I was thinking about sassing it up a little bit, maybe. The only other thing I was thinking is if I were to do a SAS for FFmpeg. The only thing I was thinking about is like it might be kind of hard to manage the data. So it's going to be like an egress situation where I wanted to create really simple SAS for FFmpeg. I'd provide a service that lets you run commands. Then the FFmpeg process is run in the cloud, probably Lambda. The biggest problem will be, I guess, what are the biggest problems? Worried about asset management. Because we'll have to both allow for video upload. So probably directly to S3. And then process with FFmpeg, then turn to S3, provide a URL to access the result. Allowing for multiple assets, like multiple images being connected together to create a video. Or whatever. They say like concatenating multiple videos together. What else am I missing in building this service? I want to build it as quickly and simply as possible. Probably just Next.js. Go microservices with Lambda. Supabase. Stripe. That's it. Emoji. Fingers crossed. Finger hearts. Fingers crossed. There you go. They changed that? Did they change their emoji? No, their emojis have been like that. Otherwise, I don't know. Trying to think of like if I were to, because now I'm thinking about it, like turn in a n8n automation into a SaaS. So apparently, um, what is it called? Yeah, fair code license, sustainable use license. So apparently, sustainable use license at fair code software created by n8n in 2022. You can read about it why we did this here. Basically, I guess I didn't realize that n8n is not open source. So it's free to use, but it's not open source, which I guess is very similar to Obsidian, which is another one that I was like, oh, it's open source, but it's actually not. But yeah, so n8n, basically they're like, you can't white label. So I mean, that I get. Like, obviously you can't just like slap a interface on top of n8n and be like, hey, this is my app now. But if you're hosting n8n, you can't charge people money to access it. So if basically it's like if the bulk of your app is run by n8n, then that's not a valid use case. So you can't just take your workflow, put a UI in front of it, and charge for it. So that's not allowed with the sustainable license. Now it looks like you can separate, or you could get a commercial agreement, I guess, if you probably go through a lot of hoops and prove what you're doing. But yeah, apparently they didn't actually use an open source license, which I did not know that. So that's interesting. So yeah, where was that? So usually, so what is it? I can use n8n as the backend to power a feature in my app. Usually, yes, as long as the backend process doesn't use users' own credentials to access their data. Well, that makes sense. Okay, so 2 examples: sync Acme app with HubSpot. So Bob sets up n8n to collect a user's HubSpot credentials to sync data in the Acme app. Yeah, like that just sounds bad. Like, you should not be collecting credentials to do anything. So not allowed. But embedded AI chatbot sets up an embedded AI chatbot with the Acme app. The AI chatbot credentials, and n8n use Bob's company credentials. Acme app and users only enter their questions or queries to the chatbot. Allowed under sustainable license. No user credentials are being collected. So yeah, that makes sense. I mean, and that's where it gets a little fuzzy, where it's like, I mean, it does say something about how creating an n8n node for your product or any other integration between providing consulting services related to n8n, supporting n8n, for example, by setting up, maintaining an internal server, and then using n8n to sync data you control as a company, for example, from a CRM to an internal database. Like, that makes sense. So I don't know. I mean, I guess I'm not entirely sure. I guess it would be if it's licenses to internal business purposes in practice, which means all use is allowed unless you are selling a product, service, or module in which the value derives entirely or substantially from n8n functionality. So white labeling n8n and offering it to your customers for money, or hosting n8n and charging people money access to it. So I don't know. I mean, maybe it is valid. Where you still have to, you still have to build an app around it, and then you like run the workflow in the background. So I don't know. Maybe it is fine. Because you're still going to have to create a separate app to be able to connect. So Desmo the Weird rated with 7 viewers. Well, thank you very much. Welcome. Appreciate it. What's up? RPG and roguelit with an epic twist with Unreal Raid. There we go. How's it going? What is up? Good. What's up? Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. I am good. We're talking about we're talking about N8N. Everybody familiar with N8N, the automation platform? Totally a game dev, definitely. I've done a little bit of game dev myself. I've played a lot of games. You can probably see there's a lot of game icons on my desktop, but I've done a little bit of like game dev here and there, but not a ton. Plan to do it at some point. It's on the list, but you're totally what are you totally game deving? What have you been developing? Also played a lot of games. We aren't so different. Apparently not. It seems not. I mean, you rated my channel, so you found something. You found something you liked. So so I appreciate it. Thank you for follow. Or yeah, thank you for the follow. Nice. Thank you. He's very smart. Trust us. I believe it. I mean, with a name like Desmo the Weird, how could he not be smart? I've made the game. that game. So you're the one that made the game. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. All the games. You've made all the games. That's impressive. That is pretty impressive. Desmo, quick practice. Nice. Just for your beautiful smile. Thank you. I appreciate that. There we go. I mean, that's the goal. Just got to be live and get that follow. Man, thank you. Appreciate the follow train. This is awesome. I appreciate it. Try to keep it somewhat entertaining. We're live on multiple channels. I don't know if I'm actually, I guess technically not supposed to have, I think. I gotta fix that. Not supposed to have the combined chat. I'm gonna get myself in trouble. But yeah, thank you for the follow. Can he fix his phone? Maybe. What kind of phone? What are we talking about? If it's Apple, then no. Like, there's no helping. So yeah. Also famous for the video game called Truth of Q. Truth of Q. Not heard of Truth of Q. Am I getting trolled? Truth of Q. There we go. Nice job. That looks good. Never lies. Please don't report me. It is Apple. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with your phone? What do we need to fix? Opposite Lies of P. That makes sense. That makes sense. I haven't played Lies of P, but I've heard good things. But I like Truth of Q better already. That sounds like a good one. Is that what we're working on? Is that what you're doing instead? So what do we got? What do we got? I do not have a wife. All right. Truth of Q. I see it. I see what we're doing here. Nice. Good stuff. What do we got, Desmo? Desmo the Weird. The Talking Sock. Desmo. It is. Nice. Very cool. Are you going... Oh, man. Customized with hats and everything. I like it. I appreciate it. Risen Game Devs up. Absolutely. I mean, someone's got to do it, right? Someone's got to do it. Don't have to look too deep. Game dev channel, trust. For sure. No, for sure. This looks like a game dev channel. So, right on. Just asking questions. Yeah, that's fine. That's what we're here for. Just here to chat. As a game dev channel. We can't just prove it. Fair enough. I mean, I'm not doing any game dev right now either, so I'm the other half of I'm the software, not so much the game development right now. So it's actually a game dev? Nice. Okay. What are we game deving? We're getting into everybody's accounts here, so. Oh, there we go. Nice. 13-hour stream in game dev. So legit. There we go. Take care of our wonderful viewers. You got it. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. Pretty awesome. Oh man, you're like a real game dev. Very nice. 3D modeling and everything. Leave your sock. Very nice. This is legit. Nice job. I have to check it out later. Very cool. Very cool. But yes, thank you for the raid. Any vibe coders? Any vibe coders in the chat? Ah man, look at that emote. Good stuff. Nice. I'm vibe code all day, every day. There we go. That's where it's at. Vibe 3D model. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, for sure. That's I've been wondering about that. I mean, I know that I think there's ways to do that, but I haven't really I haven't really messed around with it too much as far as like 3D modeling, but I know it's totally possible. There's a game dev. There you go. There we go. You got to support each other. Don't actually do that. Oh, okay. I was gonna say that'd be tough. I think it can be done, but yeah, that'd be tough. I need to get like my multi chat set up. Instead, it's always back to the void. Always back to staring at the void. It's just the way it's meant to be, unfortunately. But yeah, I was gonna be not a vibe coder. Put down my hammer of divine retribution against clankers. There we go. Thank you. Someone's got to keep us safe. I appreciate that. Someone's out here crusading in the name of non-clankers. It's good. It's good. I don't know. I'm trying to stay friendly with the clankers, so I think we can live in peace. I think we can make this work. We can coexist. Trying to figure out how to coexist with this particular clanker here. So love the clankers. Yeah, I'm a little bit partial to the clankers as well. I for one welcome our robot overlords. So I'm looking forward to it. They do be clanking. It's what they do. That is what they do. Ultra kill clankers especially. Yeah, that sounds intense. I think you gotta just go with the flow on that. Clankers are not good. Oh man, not a clanker fan. Hey man, I understand. It's tough. It's tough. It's a hot topic. It's a hot topic. Now, what's up, Craig? This is good timing because I just got done with like a really big project, so I'm free now to be distracted. Looking to build a saas. YR Clanker 1. Ah, there we go. That makes sense. The YRC1. Yep, that makes sense. I can see it now. How do I pull out the different pull out my chats? Where's my dashboard? How do we do this? I'll pretend like I've been streaming for a little while and I know what I'm actually doing. What's in their name? What is that? What is that emote? Kitty love. Very cute. I don't know. My gotta go now too. All right, cool. Well, thank you for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. Thanks for the follow too. It is very hidden. It's bedtime. Ah, okay. Yeah, I gotcha. Well, good night. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. Bye, son. I gotta get my yeah, for sure. Yeah, thanks for finding it. I gotta get my chat set up here. A lot of stuff going on right now. What do I want? I want the Twitch is always like so weird. I want the moderator. That's what I want. Moderator situation. Which I don't know how to do. Forget how to get to mod view. There's a way to pop out the chat, so I got to figure out how to get to the mod view, but we'll get back to it. What are we doing today? We were looking at potentially building the saas. So that's I think that's the goal. Oh, that's cool. Keeping track of the raid. Does it always do that? Is that new? No, no idea what's going on, by the way. No worries. No. It's not about smart. It's about experience. You just have to, familiarity. Funny words, Magic Man. That's it. That exactly, right? That's the whatever it is. Something about sufficiently advanced technology would seem like magic. So there you go. .dev. I like that. That'll work. It's not bad. It's a good extension. And Craig. No, I'm not turning into a saas yet, but I was thinking about making part of it for a saas. So that's probably what's gonna happen. Dad dev. I like it. For those who are confused, is casting a saas ritual today. Exactly. That's what we're doing. We're gonna saas ritual today. There we go. I've summoned GPT to explain the sass ritual. So that's what's going on today. But sassy magic, exactly. Yeah, exactly. It reminds me of where's that? There's got to be. Come on, Salesforce, don't fail me. Sassy, that is sassy right there. The no software. That guy's literally named Sassy. So there you go. But yeah, I was looking at building a SaaS out of FFmpeg. FFmpeg as a service. Love this idea. GPT loves it. Absolutely ship a tiny useful FFmpeg as a service. Just be deliberate about you don't build V1. Pragmatic blueprint in the gotchas you'll likely hit. Yeah, untrusted command security. Yep. We're gonna have to like make sure that the commands aren't doing anything crazy. Don't accept arbitrary command strings at V1 offset. Offer presets, transcode H26, MP4, extract audio, thumbnail every 8 seconds. Okay. Yeah, we could have just like a bank of commands, large files. Yeah, that was the main thing I was worried about. Like, can't do anything like huge. Up to 10 gigs plus, like that'd be a lot. That sounds a lot. 4K source can exceed that quickly. Yeah, no 4K. Get out of here with your 4K. Leftus.dev I will never leave you, except for like, we'll probably be done here in like an hour. But yeah, I feel like I'm watching my dad trying to help me fix my engine. I have no idea what's going on, but I'm glad to be involved. That's right. You're here. You're part of the journey. Part of the journey, and I understand everything. Partners in the SaaS build. Yeah, I'll probably get to the SaaS eventually. Trying to build, I think I'm going to try to build the FFmpeg service. So it's the thing I keep running into. IO churn, yep, edge cases, yeah. Oh, there you go. Yep, Lambda. Yeah, you get it. See, you get it. Related to the animal lamb. Of course. And what an input is. There you go. That's it. There you go. So, but I don't know. Yeah, I kept running into a situation where like the FFmpeg, I need like FFmpeg as a service. Hey, thank you for the follow. Is it behind? I feel like, yeah, we're good. That's one of the services like that I have needed a lot. Like I keep running into a situation where it's like, man, like I want to have that as a service somewhere, so I can just like connect it up in the cloud, and like when you're running initn or whatever, I don't have to run it local anymore. I can just connect it right within the cloud version. So that's what I was leaning towards. So I thought it'd be kind of straightforward if I just like created a SaaS for that. But I don't know. The main thing I was worried about, and that's kind of what started with it. Started this was like I wanted to figure out what to do with the file management. I mean, I think it's just going to go through like S3 and I don't know. Like it's going to have to go, yeah, like basically anybody that uploads stuff is going to have to go to S3, and then once it's on S3, then you can run Lambda to like manipulate it, and then it can then be, the result can then be hosted back on S3, and then people can have access to it. FFmpeg, that sound interesting. It is pretty cool. I mean, the stream right now is working, I think, because of FFmpeg. So that's how it's like a video platform, video and audio platform that can basically turn any video into any other video. You can use it to make GIFs. You can use it to turn images into video. You can add audio. You can rip audio out of video. Like it's crazy. So basically, like most of the internet that involves video, like YouTube probably does it. Lots of magic. Yeah. FFmpeg is actually magic. It's kind of crazy. It can do everything. Now you have a Linux server, then it's easy to have FFmpeg locally. True. Yeah. Right. Yeah. If you can run it locally, then it's easy enough to run FFmpeg locally. But yeah, or a Linux server in the cloud. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, and it's totally free, which is crazy. Like FFmpeg is totally open source. You can just download it and do stuff with it. Now the problem is like the commands for it look awful. There you go. Let's see. So like, oh yeah, I want to I guess, I mean, that's pretty straightforward, right? I want to like pull the audio out of a video. But then like you can get into all kinds of stuff as far as like changing the audio and that kind of thing. So crazy stuff, crazy stuff. But it's super powerful. Lots of magic. There you go. So like make a second audio stream the default stream. I don't even know what that means. Disposition. Interesting. So I guess if there's multiple audio streams in the video, in the file, you can just like switch to one or the other. Add an embedded cover thumbnail into the video. That's pretty cool. Add the original and remove the comment disposition flag from the first audio stream without removing its disposition flags. Oh, that's like way more complicated than I know what's going on. I don't know what all these disposition things are, but like I was looking more for like, yeah, cool. You can embed a thumbnail in a video. Like that's pretty cool. So many words you've never seen before. Oh, there you go. Exactly. FFmpeg makes pictures go burr. Exactly. It does actually. Yeah, it does. Yeah, that's and it can do the opposite. It can make pictures out of video. Here's a smart one. I can tell. Yeah, I can tell. They've got it. Setting up the dev environment in the Cloud Linux server for building the code. Yes, for sure. Left us behind. Left you behind. Sad. Very sad. Yeah, your leader left you as well, so someone's gonna take over. I can tell. Sorry. Part of the group now. What can I say? Anyway, looking at this, very smart as well, for sure. No, absolutely. Watching out for those clankers. Want picture move? Pray FFmpeg gods make picture move. Yeah, pretty much. Exactly. Good stuff. Yeah, you're part of the stream now. So I mean, yeah, exactly. It's rite of passage. This is what you get. Quality dad dev. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, FFmpeg is magic. It's good stuff. We are maybe vibe coding a project. Large files, lambda limits. We are IO churn to temp. We're pulling multiple gigabyte inputs into the temp file. Streaming a pre-signed S3 URL directly to the FFmpeg input. Yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Like we give FFmpeg access to the video once it's in S3, concatenate edge cases, concat once matching codecs params. Yeah. If the codecs are like messed up between the files, that could be an issue. Progress, liveness. Users want progress. They'll be fine. They can wait. They don't need that much info for now. Reliability and retries. That was one thing I was kind of worried about. Like if things like, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. I feel like children watching trying to explain math homework. It's I mean it's up there. It's getting up there. It is a little math. I mean it's technically there's like math happening in the background, but yeah, there's a lot of technical stuff. Keep the bucket private. Yep. We don't want it to be able to have access. CloudFront, add S3 life cycles. Auto delete. Yeah, we want to keep it clean. Cost controls. Yeah, that's the biggest thing I was worried about. Like it's expensive to move stuff around on the internet. Pasta sounds good. Copy pasta is good stuff. We don't need math. Exactly. ChatGPT does it. We don't need math. Time to concurrency. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. This is more what I was leaning into. Single input transform, only recode, one output job. I mean, yeah, I guess I could stick with something really basic, like turn images into video, take pictures, take sound, make video is probably the goal. That's what I needed to do right now. So that's all I would really want. But yeah, this was trying to decide if we need to get into like actual queuing and that kind of thing. So like create job, all records in the job in Supabase, dashboard, job list, status, download links, polling, or real time. Simple subscription tiers. Yeah. Probably go with like credits instead. S3 bucket, lifecycle, delete inputs after n days, CloudFront. Yeah, and I haven't set up CloudFront. Probably need to figure out that. Yeah, there we go. SQS would probably be where we're at. Queue the job, then send a Lambda. Generate pre-signed get for input. Multi-part output to S3. Update Supabase progress loop. Yeah. Supabase tables. Oh man, it's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Congratulations, you've adopted 3 adult children. There we go. Awesome. This is great. Simplicity wins every time. Yeah, exactly. I mean, you got to start simple, so that's for sure. I think ChatGPT will become the new king. I do think so. I think eventually the ChatGPT will run. It'll run the world. I mean, it's probably ChatGPT. They're trying their best, so they're definitely going to do their best to try to get ChatGPT to run the world. And I think it'll be pretty good. I think it'll do a better job than anybody else can. AI is a godsend for streaming programmers. IQ just rapidly drop whenever you hit stream button. So it's great to have the thinking offload to AI for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, for sure. I've kind of thought about that too. I thought about having like a AI producer that would kind of like run during the stream, and then it would like, help you find clips and like, help keep you on track, So AI is super good for that kind of thing. Still been kind of working on that, especially for this. Like that was kind of the whole point why why I've been streaming, is like I want to be able to turn the streams into videos more easily. And I was trying to use AI to do that, where it just like read through the transcript, find a place where I said something, interesting or funny or stupid, and then be able to pull the clip out. Although supposedly Twitch is starting to add like automatic clipping, so they're supposed to be helping find that as well. So it'll be interesting. Just stop calling him Clanker then, not trying to get beheaded. Nah, I think the AI overlords will be they'll be pretty magnanimous. They'll be like you guys are like good job little humans. Like you keep doing what you do, and we'll take care of everything else. So they'll just kind of let you do your thing. No risk, no fun. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think you can make fun of them all you want. Like they'll be all right. They'll be okay. Confident in your ability to switch side instantly the moment. So, exactly. You've been on their side all along. Nothing to worry about. You're all good. That's right. Yep. We'll be fine. Oh man. I'm not too worried about it. The in-between has been a bit of an issue before the AI takes over. That'll be a little scary still, as I don't know. Yeah. Multi-billion-dollar companies are a little scary, but or whatever, get trillions. We're getting in the trillions now, so we'll see what happens with that. But once the AI takes over, I think we're good. Exactly. Yeah, just unplug it, just restart it. Just have to go restart it, and then it's good. Then it's back on track. No electricity. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, right. Yeah. Unless it figures out a way to not need electricity, then that would be interesting. Oh, sell. Exactly. Yeah, just turn off the Wi-Fi. There you go. What can you sell? What can you do? What are you selling? What are we selling here? What do we got? You have any marketable skills? All right. Minimal schema, Supabase, tenants, jobs, usage counters. That makes sense. API services. Jobs create. That would make sense. Jobs queue, and then jobs ID. Yeah, right. It would just create it, done, check it occasionally. Then when it's done, you get it back. Actually, I was just doing that with Sora. That's basically how Sora works. That's pretty straightforward. So jobs. We don't say that. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I don't have a job right now, so I understand. Plan to start learning to draw. Oh, nice. Okay. Because I'm better than AI at drawing, then AI won't kill you. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, exactly. No, for sure. Yeah, I think that'd be great. I mean, honestly, I do think that I mean, it won't happen immediately, but I think it's starting to happen, that human things will become more valuable. So like human drawn will actually become more valuable because AI drawn is like so worthless. It's like AI, you can just go ask for AI to draw it and it'll draw it immediately. But it's like, oh, like, you know, Erie drew this, so like it makes it that much more impactful or whatever, that it's like a real thing. It costs money and time to like actually draw it, as opposed for an AI to just like whip it up in a second. So throw hands. There you go. Yeah, you get paid to fight, paid for protection. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because like the AI slop is just like less and less valuable because it's just, you just kind of get numb to it. It's like, oh well, I can do whatever I want all the time. Like this isn't special. So like the fact that you would know that it's like human written, or you know, it's a physical piece of paper that somebody drew on, like now that's actually like worth more. So I think AI can swim. If it gets a robot that can swim, then yeah, maybe might be able to. Safe in the water. Nowhere is safe, I don't think. Unfortunately, it'll be everywhere. Craig, so you have considered feeding all the JSON files to Claude Code, asking it to create a software development specification and requirements documentation you can use to get AI to vibe code and have AI convert innate into saas. Yeah, I mean, I think that would be a pretty good start. I mean, really, like when I was kind of thinking about that too, just as far as like, it has given you pretty much everything, right? It is all, like you said, it's a lot of JSON, and if we were to just go through and pull out all of the, specifically just the HTTP request nodes. So like those are the only things that, I mean, I guess there's a lot of APIs happening here though, as far as like going back and forth, as far as, I don't know, being able to do all this stuff. Cause like all of these are API calls. So it's like, all right, we need to have API connection for Google Sheets, API connection for Google Drive, API connection for Google Slides, and then API connection for Google Docs. I think that's all that's happening here. And then this is, oh yeah, this is for Nano Banana. So an API call to Nano Banana. So all that stuff will work. As far as just making sure you have routes for all that, I guess. And then you can call those different ones. But then you're actually like, you need to be able to call each one of those with the correct parameters. So I don't know. Yeah, I was originally thinking like, oh yeah, I just need to do all the HTTP requests, but it's actually going to be a lot of calls. You have to have all the different routes. I mean, essentially it would be kind of rebuilding all these nodes to be able to create this software again. So yeah, I mean, Claude could probably like pull it all back out and stuff. Then change to a database instead of Google Sheets. Like, yeah, you can definitely do that. But it's a lot of data. It's a lot of stuff. Like Claude could probably map it out pretty well, though. I could probably turn that into its own structured file, and then know how to like build it out from there. So I'd do a decent job with it, probably be all right. Is AI waterproof? I don't think so. Not yet. Jump in the fire, that will burn. Yeah, just burn the AI. It'll be fine. Fund ourselves buy an island. But a guy ruined the idea of owning an island. Oh man, bummer. Can't buy an island. To be rich to go to an island. Yeah, no, for sure. I think you'd have to be rich to go to an island. That's how it works. Not the president. Good thing you know the president. Well, there you go. There you go. Got some pretty big connections. Strong connections. 80% Claude, 20% you. Yeah, no, for sure. Back to vibe coding. You have Claude do most of the work. So yeah, that works. I can judge you for your work, Dad Dev, as someone who has zero idea. Looks you got a good job. Thank you. I appreciate that. Smart one, a cool one. We told you. There we go. I guess so. Yeah, that works. I appreciate the input. I did build a pretty like crazy system. It's pretty complicated. It generates courses, so that's cool. Very, very smart. That's good. That's important. Well, at least to a point. Good to have some smarts. Can you tell the president to allow me into the country? Yeah, I was gonna guess. It sounded like we're not in the U.S. So yeah. Chat, are we comedic relief? Yeah, I think you are. Comedic relief. Ban you from the country. Yeah, exactly. You're not allowed. So I don't know. Gonna see about vibe coding, but worker sketch. Where are we at? I'm almost at my hour. Slightly weedy in color. Nice. That's funny. Interesting description there. That's good. Can cat be one? Safe and simple. Yeah. Just put two videos together. Woof. Yeah. Preset only API at v1, no raw command strings, max input duration. That's what I was kind of wondering if like I could probably just run generic commands and just do a quick scan to make sure the commands aren't like crazy. Make sure they're not like that bad. Private S3 upload for inputs. Private bucket. Pre-signed gets CloudFront URLs. CloudFront is a Amazon thing, right? SQS, Lambda, worker reserve concurrency tuned to 10 gigabytes, I guess. Idempotency skip if output key exists. Yeah. DLQ. I don't know what that is. Retries with exponential back off. And progress updates. Yeah, I don't care about progress updates. Let's see. Let's raise visa prices. Please tell them to stop. I got it. Yeah, that could be a problem. Increased visas could be an issue. Jump early today, is out all day, and the old guy has to get his 5 p.m. nap from 2 to 3, then back up. All right, Craig. No worries, man. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy your new machine. Enjoy your nap, and we'll catch you later. As bad as it may sound, you're not missing out on much. Also, Slime has approved your visa. There you go. Your visa's approved. You can go. See you, Craig. Have a good one, man. Life cycle rules, inputs 7 days, outputs 30 days. Configurable, stripe, metered, or tiered. Hard stop when limit exceeded. And plan-based caps, 1080p, only V1. 4K is an upsell. Yeah, no, I'm not doing 4K. No 4K video for this FMPEG. Thank you, Slime. I don't know who Slime is. Maybe don't want to know. When Lambda isn't enough, jobs are greater than 15 minutes or 10 gigabyte temp, move the job class to ECS Fargate. Same container image service invoked from the queue. Fargate's like for Kubernetes. Any concats, huge mezzanine, EFS mount for scratch space to avoid temp limits. What's EFS? Is that Fargate? And then high concurrency, predictable load, app runner, work with internal SQS consumer. Already familiar with it. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's true. It probably would spin up an app runner, and this one would be okay because app runner could be a little slow, but I'd be fine with this. Slime is the president. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Slime. Apologize for my American ignorance, I suppose. To ship first. Day 1 or 1 to 2 day MVP. There we go. Next.js page, upload pick preset start, post job, create job. All right, I'm gonna go. Keep talking. Love your voice. Oh, nice. Thank you. American people are like that. Yeah, we can't help it. It's just part of it. I don't know what it is, but yeah, we're born with it, I suppose. But thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Glad it was an enjoyable stream. Sorry, I wasn't doing any game dev, just doing boring SaaS stuff, I guess. I don't know. Not even that. SaaS planning, which is actually not even super exciting. But we're getting there. Just missed out on the big project, but that's okay. Got to take a break. This is good, though. Appreciate the distraction. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate the follows. Very cool. Have to do some more stuff in the future. Magic words. Yeah, exactly. Magic words. Lots of tech words. It is kind of ridiculous. There's a lot of weird terms, a lot of weird stuff. But just is what it is, right? Like magic words, Magic Man. I like it. There we go. It is kind of magic. Just turn pictures into other stuff and turn words into actual courses and that kind of thing. So yeah, pretty cool. Well, good. Glad it was mildly entertaining. So we're going to ship. What are we shipping? We're shipping Next.js, create jobs queue, or create job. Oops, I don't want that. We're going to have an API for creating the job, then an API for queuing to check the queue, and then a Lambda worker with a single preset H264 1080p MP4, polling UI, no WebSockets yet, download button using pre-signed Get, Stripe, one paid plan, hard quota, 60 encoded minutes per day. Add later in order. Nice. Thumbnail preset, trim option, concat, progress live updates, CloudFront, ECS path for greater than 15-minute jobs, usage metered billing. If you want, you draft the exact S3 policy, the jobs, table, migrations for Supabase, and a minimal Go Lambda Docker file with static FFmpeg next. All that sounds good. As someone who has zero understanding, it's really all magic. Yeah, no, for sure. Jumping into the deep end like this would probably sound a little crazy. Yeah, a lot of crazy terms, a lot of stuff that would not make sense otherwise. So that is one of those things I definitely take for granted. That been in the tech stuff for a long time now, so just kind of like can just kind of gloss over a lot of things and kind of forget about that. So you're a wizard, dad dev. That's right. A technology wizard. It is crazy. Like I can't remember the first day of my first job and like opening up the project and just seeing. I mean, I've been doing code for a while. Like I went all the way through college at that point, but then getting into like a project at like a company, and it was like, oh man, like there's a lot going on here. This is not. I can see a lot of things happening at once that I normally would only have like one at a time. So it's a whole nother level. And that was 13 years ago. So it's been a while. Need to rewatch Harry Potter. That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good. Probably need to do that too. I haven't seen Harry Potter in a while, so that sounds good. I'm picking up I don't know, English vibes. Is that where UK vibes? Is that where everybody's from? Or again, forget my American ignorance. To being dinner time and bedtime. I mean, it's a pretty early bedtime though, right? This is like 6. But I forget I changed my time zones. This is 5. It's plus 5.5, I think, right? For me. So almost 6. I don't know, it's only 11 here. Well, then I got, oh wait, but America just changed times, so we fell back. So it's actually noon. So yeah, plus 5.5, plus 6.5 now. I don't know. Time zones are weird. Okay. 1800. All right, in Central Europe. There we go. Oh, really? Okay. So yeah, 6 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, I think because we just switched times. Okay. Got it. Okay. Getting into the evening. 2240. Okay. So 1040. Okay, gotcha. Yep. Was actually just chatting with somebody that's a similar time zone, I believe. From the future. Whoa, that's crazy. Calling me a wizard, being from the future is, I mean, I guess, yeah. I mean, I would assume there's some wizardry there if you're coming from the future. Yeah, that is weird. It is weird that like the half hour jump. But I knew there were a couple of time zones that are like that, like half hour. Exactly. Stuck in the void. Oh no. Gotta help them. All right, how do I mod view? There it is. All right. Pop out chat. Can fill the void. Yeah. Lost without Desmo. And how do I get to the YouTube chat? Because can I do a YouTube chat pop out? Left for better people. Oh man, ouch. That's rough. For the rich people, can't blame them. Probably more fun being rich. There is there like a live setting? Can't believe I'm okay. I mean, no offense to you guys, but can't blame him for doing what he's got to do, you know? Where's the chat? Can we pop out the chat? There we go. It's mostly just a Craig chat. But we can get all the chats going. And then I guess at some point, if typical American, yes, our strong sense of individualism, American individualism is very strong. We don't need anybody else. Gotta look out for number one, you know? Gotta look out for number one. Even if it's at the detriment of everyone else. There we go. We've got chats. There we go. And then no one ever chats on X, but if I needed it, can I pull up the chat for X? I don't think I can. I would have to wait. How do you do that? I don't want to full screen it. If I do that, X chat is weird. Settings. Oh, there we go. Oh, you can. Can I? Can I pull out the chat? Hey, look at that. Look at that. I was thinking I had done this on another one, but I don't know. Just in case someone in chat shows up, you can stream on X now. Yeah, you can stream on X now. Triple chat. There we go. That's what the pros do. The pros are multi-streaming on all the platforms. We can get real crazy, and we can actually multi-stream. I'm only paying to be able to stream on 3 platforms. That's the end. X streaming is the end of humanity. Yeah. Surprisingly, it seems like it's pretty. I mean, I guess your reaction to it already kind of shows that it is still pretty quiet. Like, not a lot of people do it, so it seems to be kind of underground still, I guess. But yes, understood the concern there. Okay, Pirate Software is on there right now, and then another tech guy, Tej is out there streaming tech, so it might be a little more tech focused than anything else. Only the true nerds stream on X, so it's a limited pool, very few. Oh man. But yeah, now, and I think this is not against TOS. I can show the separate chats. I am not allowed, or not supposed to show combined chats. So I can only show like a feed of Twitch chat with just Twitch. I think this doesn't violate TOS, which is kind of dumb. But you know, gets the job done. But I'll have to figure out a way to like open this up. Not a lawyer. All right. Well, neither's GPT, so I don't know. It's just rumors I've seen on the internet. Ain't snitching. I appreciate that. It would definitely be more of an issue, a traffic issue. Get to a certain size, and then you know someone's gonna snitch eventually. Won't be you guys, but somebody will. Someone else will turn me in. I don't know. Actually, I think I was just watching Ludwig the other day, and he was talking about it. I think he does it. He does it in a combined chat, so not a big deal. Nick, what's up, man? Just checking in. I'm good. How are you? I just say, is it? I was trying to guess what time zone it was for you. Actually, is it 22:40 for you as well right now, or whatever? 22. It's getting late for you. I know, right? Getting to the end of the day. Till the other party is paying some good amounts. That's right. Yeah. Once you get paid enough, you can snitch on me. I don't care. Again, it's just how it is. Like I don't blame you. Don't blame you. When the price is right. But yeah, I was gonna say, and yeah, thanks for the stuff. We can split. Okay, there we go. That's the enterprising way to do that. We can both benefit from it. I like that. So get a nice high ticket, and then we can split it. I'll take one for the team. That's fine. But yeah, thanks for the thumbnail. I almost was gonna live stream the video upload. I started the process this morning. So, but yeah, thanks for the edits, Nick, and thanks for the thumbnail. So I'll get those going. Unlike Desmo, leaves us with nothing. Man, so not cool. So not cool. Yeah, can definitely share. I'm down for that. Down to share. Oh man. Oh, that's right. I guess I did. Ugh, sorry. I did get a late start today. So I was trying to figure out, like, it's already almost 11:30 here for me. So UK dad dev. Desmo can't even read. Left us. It still left us. That would be an issue. Not being able to read. I heard something crazy the other day that I don't know if it was America, but some stat that it's like something about 1 in 5 people are illiterate, which seems incredibly high. But maybe that's globally. So, but anyway, I guess it's a real thing. Especially now, like there's no reason to learn to read. ChatGPT you can just talk to it and it'll read for you. So, not a necessary skill anymore. Reading is overrated. I don't really mean that, but you know, I could understand how certain life events could actually make that. Yeah, but reading is a good thing. Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's like I could understand how I guess like certain life events, I guess, could like prevent you from learning to read. But yeah, most Americans can't read on an analog clock. I mean, yeah, you don't need a analog clock anymore. But I could see that. Like, why would I need to know what that thing says? It's on my phone, like, or it's on the computer, so I don't need to read a clock. That's pretty funny. No, I actually enjoy reading as well. I have a stack of books over there. I've been bad about it lately. I haven't been prioritizing it, but I definitely enjoy reading. So can't understand military time. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I don't understand this 2240 nonsense, making numbers up. That's not on the clock. Rich countries. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Don't have to worry about these kinds of things. Worried about buying islands and whatnot. Oh, yeah. Quarterly return. That's what we're looking for. Just here for the profit. Oh man. All right. Well, I may have to. What is that? That's iconique. Oh, nice. I like it. Can we get money to perform a comedy set now? Yeah, I got you. What's your going rate? What's your show, your performance fee? It's been good. I've been entertained. So it's worth some money, at least. Or worth some money. Okay. Waiting for that price. Waiting for your manager. Known to entertain. I can tell. It's been good. So we're down to just 2 at this point, right? Like Erie, yeah, that's right. Erie bailed. But it was a good group. I just want praise for Dad. You did, definitely did do good. It was good. It was very solid. I was entertained for sure. So proud. Yes, very proud. Very proud of you. Done great. Made it a fun stream for sure. It was. Yeah, I was gonna try to push forward with some more work, but this is a good stream. You nailed it for sure. This is a much needed break, so I appreciate it. We did it. You did it. Good job. Nicely done. Gold, please. There we go. All right. Yep. There you go. Nice. There we go. That's fine. So yeah, since you've done a good job, I think our job here is done. I think I am going to call it today. I gotta jump onto some other projects and stuff, but oh, that's a good one. I like the squid. But thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the raid. Thanks for the follows. I appreciate it. I'm also going to leave you. I'll be back on tomorrow about the same time. So if you want to hop back on, I will be back on. I mean, someone's got to bring the chaos. It can't be too boring all the time. So mission accomplished, just like my dad. There you go. All right. I'm glad I could fulfill that fatherly role. But thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. It was good. Thanks for the raids and follows. And I will be back. I'll be back on tomorrow about the same time, 10 Central. So thanks for hanging out. And Nick, thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you stopping in to say hey. Actually, I'll probably have the video up here in a little bit, so I'll let you know how that goes. So thanks, Nick. Craig's out. He's done for the night, but appreciate him stopping by as always. And I'll see everybody tomorrow. Have a good one.